Hey everybody, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the lifetime value tool on our website. So in order to use the lifetime value tool, you need to download first in brand analytics your customer loyalty analytics data, because that's used to define your lifetime value. In case you're wondering how we do that, in some earlier videos I shared how to do the lifetime value calculation in a Google Sheet, and basically the tool is just the replication of what I'm doing in a Google Sheet, but in the browser in the web app. So what you need to go to brand analytics, you need to go to customer loyalty analytics, and then you need to select your brand, and you select reporting range yearly. The default is weekly, and then you select the last year which is available. Usually you should just see 2023 and 2024, because Amazon is deleting the data after some time. So once 2025 is completed in January, you will have the option to select 2025, and then for a short period you will see 2023, 2024, and 2025. But 2023 will disappear at some point. So I highly recommend you to download that data in case you're interested in storing it, because at some point it will not be available anymore. Now you hit apply, and then you need to scroll down to this section here to export the data. It will export it exports the last kind of couple of periods. So you just need to select 2024, and automatically it will export 2024 and 2023. If you would have 2022 in here, it would also export 2022, because it exports the last up to 12 periods. So if you select, for example, monthly, and you just need to select 1 month, and if I would then export this, I would get the last 12 months. So not just August, I get July, June, and so on and so forth. I only see the data for the current period, but when you export, you get all the past periods as well. Anyways, you take this CSV, you head over to our website, you go to free tools. In here, and by the way, you're not seeing me anymore, but I'm still there. On the website, you go to free tools. There's a couple more coming soon, but you go to the lifetime value calculator, you click on access tool. When you do this the first time, you will be asked to sign up. So we'll need a name and an email from you in order to set your cookie. And this needs to be done once every 90 days so that's when the cookie expires, after 90 days. And then within the tool, you can just select your currency. So this is a US. Then you'll select your file, the CSV. And then it's asking you to input a bit of data. Your gross margin as a percent, ad spend, and repeat lifespan. So ad spend, I'm just putting some random numbers here, but let's assume you'll have that. So this is your full ad spend for Amazon for the year. Your gross margin, let's say this was like 35% in 2023, and then in 2024 it was 45%, so we could increase it. We also increased marketing spend. And our repeat lifespan, this is something like I put like 2 years on average, but it depends on your brand, obviously. Can be longer, can be shorter. So put in what you think is right, and then you hit calculate, and it calculates your lifetime value in revenue per customer. Over the 2 years, you can see the year-over-year changes. It calculates you the lifetime profit per customer. It gives you your total advertising costs of sales. It gives you the customer acquisition costs, and so on and so forth. So you see, this is currently probably I should have put in much more marketing spend here. Looks a little low. Even that looks still pretty low. You know, I've just put in some random numbers. You know, obviously this will change. TACOS, customer acquisition costs, total customers, and so on and so forth. And it also gives you some recommendation based on this data. So for example, customer acquisition cost of $752 is a very short payback period based on your 2-year LTV profit, right? 2-year LTV profit here is $27. And if my customer acquisition costs are just $7.50, that's a pretty short payback period of just like 2.5 months until I got that customer acquisition cost back in profitability. So therefore, the recommendation here is to increase marketing, get more customers. at the same profitable rate, and so on and so forth. So this is the tool. I hope you like it. One last thing, none of the data is stored. This is all fully rendered on your machine, on your computer. This is not rendered on the server. This whole app runs in your browser and just uses your local machine to drive all of that. None of this data is stored by us because I don't care about that, but you can use it. Hopefully you find it useful. And if you need more accurate LTV data or more accurate analytics, let me know. These are just for fun. This is not the serious stuff. Thank you very much for listening, and bye-bye.